Waking up at 4 in the morning to milk cows sounds like a peaceful rural dream, until you realize a modern dairy farm is actually a high-stakes, multi-million-dollar industrial food processing operation where one single equipment breakdown or disease outbreak can wipe out your entire life savings. Most people entering the agricultural world assume you just buy a couple of acres, get a herd of cows, and start collecting daily milk checks. But the raw reality of the dairy industry in the United States is brutal, capital-intensive, and heavily regulated. Today, we are breaking down the exact financial blueprint, the hidden infrastructure costs, the land requirements, and the cold, hard numbers behind what it actually takes to buy, build, and operate a functional dairy farm from scratch. Before you even think about purchasing your very first cow, you have to secure the physical real estate, and this is where most aspiring farm owners face their first massive financial wall. A standard commercial dairy operation requires far more land than a typical crop farm because you need space for animal housing, milking facilities, feed storage, and, most importantly, manure management. On average, you need roughly 1.5 to 2 acres of land per lactating cow to comply with local environmental regulations and waste runoff management. If you are aiming for a modest commercial herd of 200 cows, you are looking at needing anywhere from 300 to 400 acres of fertile, farmable land. In the United States, agricultural land prices vary wildly, but good farmland with reliable water rights averages between $5,000 and $10,000 per acre. That means your land acquisition alone will easily cost between $1.5 million and $3 million before a single structure is built. Once you have secured the land, your next massive capital hurdle is building the specialized infrastructure required to house and feed the animals. Modern dairy cows cannot simply live out in an open field year-round, especially in regions with extreme winter cold or scorching summer heat. Heat stress reduces milk production drastically, so you must construct a climate-controlled freestall barn equipped with high-powered circulation fans, automated water misting systems, and comfortable sand or rubber-bedded stalls. Building a modern freestall barn for a 200-head herd costs anywhere from $300,000 to $600,000. Alongside the housing, you must build massive concrete feed bunks and covered silage pits to store thousands of tons of feed, as well as an engineered manure lagoon system lined with heavy synthetic membranes to prevent agricultural waste from leaking into the local water table, which easily adds another $100,000 to $200,000 in civil engineering and construction fees. Then comes the absolute heart of the entire operation, the milking parlor and refrigeration setup. You cannot sell milk directly out of a bucket. It must be harvested in a sterile, stainless steel environment and chilled instantly to preserve quality. Building a double 6 or double 8 herringbone or parallel milking parlor allows multiple cows to be milked simultaneously using automated vacuum lines and electronic teat dip systems. A fully equipped mid-sized milking parlor with automated computer tracking for individual milk yield costs between $200,000 and $450,000. The milk harvested from the parlor must pass through a plate cooler and into a commercial stainless steel bulk storage tank that chills the milk down to below 38 degrees Fahrenheit within 2 hours of harvest. A 2,000-gallon refrigerated bulk tank with heavy-duty cooling compressors will cost you an additional $40,000 to $70,000. Only after your land is prepped, your barns are built, and your milking parlor is fully operational can you actually purchase your livestock. Buying a commercial dairy herd requires careful selection between breeds, primarily Holsteins, which produce a massive volume of fluid milk, or Jerseys, which produce lower volume but higher butterfat and protein content that commands a premium price from cheese processors. A healthy, pregnant commercial Holstein heifer ready to enter production currently costs between $1,800 and $2,500 per head. For a starter herd of 200 cows, your initial livestock investment will sit right around $400,000 to $500,000. But you cannot just buy lactating cows. You must also factor in a culling rate of roughly 25 to 30% annually due to health issues, age, or fertility failure, meaning you must continuously reinvest in replacement heifers or maintain a dedicated calf-raising facility on site. The moment your cows arrive on the property, your ongoing daily operating expenses kick in, and feed is by far the largest recurring bill you will ever face. Dairy cows are biological metabolic machines. A single lactating cow consumes nearly 100 pounds of feed every single day. consisting of a carefully balanced diet called a total mixed ration. This mix includes corn silage, alfalfa hay, soybean meal, whole cottonseed, and precise mineral supplements formulated by a livestock nutritionist to maximize milk output. Feeding a 200-head herd costs roughly $10 to $15 per cow per day in feed alone. That translates to an ongoing, non-negotiable feed bill of $2,000 to $3,000 every single day, or nearly $90,000 every single month. If crop prices spike due to drought or inflation, your feed costs can instantly jump by 20 to 30%, wiping out your monthly profit margins overnight. Operating a dairy farm also requires immense mechanical power, extreme utility consumption, and specialized heavy machinery. You need a mid-sized agricultural tractor equipped with a front loader to move heavy feed bales and clear manure, a specialized TMR mixer wagon to blend cow feed accurately, and skid steers to clean internal alleyways daily. Purchasing this essential rolling equipment, even on the used market, will require another $150,000 to $250,000. Furthermore, electricity bills on a dairy farm are staggering because high-powered vacuum pumps, continuous ventilation fans, and heavy refrigeration compressors run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A utility bill for a mid-sized dairy farm frequently ranges from $3,000 to $6,000 a month. Because a power outage during milking time can cause severe udder infections like mastitis across your entire herd, you are also forced to invest $15,000 to $30,000 in a massive commercial diesel backup generator capable of powering the entire facility. Beyond physical assets and feed, you must account for veterinary care, labor, and strict health regulations. Dairy farming is a 365-day-a-year business with no holidays, weekends, or sick days. Cows must be milked at the exact same intervals, twice or 3 times every single day, without exception. Unless you plan to work 18-hour physical shifts every single day of your life, you must hire specialized farm labor to manage milking shifts, feed pushing, calf care, and herd health tracking. Payroll for 2 or 3 full-time herdsmen will cost between $100,000 and $150,000 annually. Add in routine veterinary visits for pregnancy checks, vaccinations, hoof trimming, and mastitis treatments, and your medical and professional service budget will easily eat up another $20,000 to $30,000 every year. Now let's examine the actual revenue structure and how you get paid for your milk. In the United States, commercial dairy farmers do not set their own retail prices. Milk is bought by regional processing plants or agricultural cooperatives under a complex federal pricing system based on hundredweight, which is 100 pounds of milk, or roughly 11.6 gallons. Milk prices fluctuate constantly based on global commodity markets, consumer demand, and trade policies. If milk is pricing at $20 per hundredweight, a high-producing cow generating 80 pounds of milk per day brings in roughly $16 in gross daily revenue. Subtract your $10 to $12 in daily feed costs, utility bills, labor overhead, and debt service on your multi-million-dollar farm loans, and your net profit margin per cow often narrows down to just $1 to $2 per day. When you total up the true initial capital requirements, land purchase, freestall barns, waste management lagoons, milking parlor construction, bulk cooling tanks, livestock acquisition, and heavy rolling machinery, starting a mid-sized 200-cow commercial dairy farm requires a total upfront investment ranging from $3.5 million to over $6 million. To survive in this industry, modern dairy farmers must operate with extreme financial discipline, constant monitoring of commodity feed prices, and meticulous herd management. It is not a passive investment or a casual lifestyle choice. It is a full-time, high-capital industrial enterprise where profit is won through relentless operational efficiency and deep financial planning. If you found this unfiltered, realistic breakdown of the dairy industry valuable and want to see the true financial numbers behind more real-world industries and operations, make sure to hit that subscribe button on Raw Reality POV. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Let us know which industry you want us to break down next, and we will see you in the next video.